Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In just 11 weeks, we are making the move from this apartment into our van. And one of the biggest challenges we have to figure out is what to do with all of this stuff.
Yeah, so last week while Alicia was tackling her storage unit, I was in the den trying to condense all of the stuff that we have in here. So this video is going to be about how I weeded through all the things that we're going to sell, donate, or unfortunately throw in the garbage.
If you're new to the channel, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Rachel.
Like and subscribe to follow along as we go slow down.
So while Alicia is over at the storage unit, my job today is to clean out this office. It's not as much stuff as she has in her storage, but there's still lots of things to figure out what we're going to do with. Pretty much nothing in this room is going to go with us on our journey, for the simple fact that this is just kind of another storage space, holding space for things that we don't use very often. So I don't imagine a lot of the things in this space is going to hit the road with us, but we have to decide whether or not we're going to donate them, if we're going to sell them at the flea market in Englishtown. Hopefully we can get a little chunk of money from that. It would be nice. I feel like most of the things will probably be donated. Some things we are going to store, such as, my art supplies and some of the other, items that are keepsakes that we've had for a while. We don't really feel like we're ready to let go of them just yet. And I hope most of it doesn't go in the trash, but I feel like a good amount is going to go into the dumpster. And I'll always feel very guilty for throwing items that I've collected over the years out, just for the simple fact that I knew it was just going to accumulate. I knew I was going to probably put it somewhere and forget about it, and now it is at the end of the road, and this is just not going to get sold, or just not in good enough condition to donate. So some things might go into the trash, but I have to be okay with that, and I have to learn that lesson. So now I won't accumulate, hopefully, so many items that I know I don't need, and just, really try to transition into a more minimalistic type of lifestyle, because I don't ever want to do this again. This is enough. I don't ever want to have to go through a whole room of things and determine whether or not I'm going to try to sell it or donate it or, God forbid, throw it in the garbage. So we'll see what happens, and, catch us in Englishtown in a couple of weeks. We'll have a table out there. So if you see anything, in my Englishtown pile, please definitely come check us out on the weeks that we're going to be there. This is the bag that Alicia brought, probably from Amazon, but it's like a really cool, hiking backpack. It has a blanket, space to, store a bottle of wine, and just, tons of space inside. And then this is also insulated. So this one we're bringing. It's a whole bag of masks. Hopefully we'll never have to go through that again, but I feel like we should keep some of these in storage. I don't know, they're just like fresh masks. What do we do with them? Can't sell them, they're open. What do we do? These Tommy Bahamas, not getting rid of those. I think I'm gonna throw all of these pillows away. I will not ever have a collection of pillows ever again. Just what I need. Englishtown. Never opened it. I think I bought it as a gift. $20. I'll probably try to get like $5. I don't know. Maybe 10. We'll see. Okay, so the mid couch, we have all of these shoes that I had already taken out of my closet to donate, and they found their way here. And now I am gonna have to just now take them to the next step, to the car, and then right to the car to some type of donation center. We don't know exactly which organization we're going to donate through, but we definitely want to make sure that, you know, the items that are in good condition can be used by somebody who actually needs them. Christmas tree. Maybe I'll give this to my mom. She has a little one, but this one's a little bit bigger. So hopefully I'll find a new home. Got a little hungry, gotta take a burger break. So we have a lot of bags. I don't know what we're going to do with all the bags. Most of them don't have anything in them, but some do. Some are grocery bags. It's the ban on plastic bags in Jersey. We've just always forgotten bags and always had to buy bags. So we have a lot of reusable bags. Hopefully, again, we can offload them. Probably not sell them. I mean, I can just give these away to somebody who just might need bags, or just, I don't know. We're gonna figure it out. Hopefully we can find a big bag to put all the bags in, just so we just have a bag of bags. And yeah, there's more bags up there too in those bins. I don't know. Wish me luck. Summer and winter clothes in here, and like some, you know, like novelty items. It would be nice to cut down all of the clothes that I'm gonna store for the winter into like one bin this size, and then I feel like that is manageable.
Babe, you did a pretty good job in here. You made a lot of progress.
Yeah, but there is just still so much more to do.
I know, but we have 11 weeks left, so we're going to take some deep breaths. because we know we'll get it done. Because one thing's for sure, we're definitely leaving in August. Thank you so much for watching our videos as we prepare. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. It really, really helps out the channel. And that way you can make sure you don't miss out as we figure out what it means to go slow down.